Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or block live photos to be captured during a FaceTime video call on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we go down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on FaceTime Live Photos. Tap on the toggle button to allow or block live photos to be captured during a FaceTime video call. So let's take a look what this feature actually does. So you can see here we have FaceTime Live Photos turned on. So if I now have a FaceTime call, so I'm going to start a FaceTime call now. Okay, so I started a FaceTime call. You can see on the other device, there is a button. So by tapping on this button, I can take a FaceTime video call. Okay, I'm just going to turn off in the call now, so just stop from the phone from producing that echo sound. Okay, so if I go into Photos now, so let me find the Photos app in here, and you can see here during a FaceTime call I can capture the live photo. So if I want to switch it off, I go into FaceTime settings and turn off FaceTime Live Photos. So it is now off, and we go and we start to make another call, and now I start a call. So if I now tap on this button, it says FaceTime photos must be enabled on both devices to use this feature. And that is how you can use this feature to capture live photos in FaceTime on the iPhone 15 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.